balita na ko ni kay taga Mindanao ko, gusto ko nga daghan makabalo sa mga panghitabo. Labi ning bagyong Vicky PH. 26 Infantry Battalion conducted a disaster rescue operations to save residents of Porok 2 and 9 in Barangay Del Monte, Talakugon, Agusan Del Sur, who were trapped by floodwaters on Friday afternoon, December 18, due to Bagyong PH. Via Alex Lopez and Philippine News Agency. Update tayo sa Bagyo. The local government unit of San Francisco in Surigao del Norte conducts a road clearing operation at a portion of Banbanon Oslao Road where a landslide occurred Friday evening due to heavy rains caused by TD BKPH. One lane of the roads is now passable while the clearing operation is ongoing via Alexander Lopez and the San Francisco Municipality Police Station. Naapod ang atong mga kapulisan para mahanay ang dalan para dili mag-traffic. Mabuhay po kayo, sir. Update tayo, December 19, 2020, the local government unit of Cantilan Surigao del Sur released an initial assessment on 633 hectares of rice farms devastated by TD BKPH in the area. A total of 45,000 rice seedlings were also reported lost due to flooding in Barangay Parang in seed towns. Most of the affected rice farmers are from Barangays Calagdaan Parang Cabas-an, Palasao Tapi Bugsukan Pag, antayan, and Magasanag. The local government is still determining the total number of rice farmers affected by TD Vicky. Credit by Alexander Lopez and Municipality of Cantilan. So we have to pray for the people who are affected there, especially the family, the farmers, and others.